Looking for a premium gaming PC case that can handle the biggest GPUs and custom water cooling setups? The ASUS ROG Strix Helios 2 might be one of the best showcase cases available in 2026, but it's definitely not for everyone. After spending time building in this case, the first thing that stands out is the premium construction. The aluminum front panel and dual-tempered glass side panels give it a clean, high-end look that instantly makes your gaming setup feel more premium. If you're planning an RGB-heavy build, this case is designed to show it off. Inside, there's an incredible amount of room. It supports EATX motherboards, graphics cards up to 450 mm long, CPU coolers up to 190 mm tall, and front radiators up to 420 mm. That means even oversized RTX 5090 class graphics cards and large AIO liquid coolers fit comfortably without feeling cramped. Cooling performance is another highlight. The case comes with 4 pre-installed 140 mm PWM fans, providing excellent airflow right out of the box. Dust filters on the front, top, and bottom also help keep the interior cleaner over time. Building inside the Helios 2 is surprisingly straightforward. ASUS includes thoughtful cable management features, GPU support brackets, removable PSU brackets, and plenty of routing space, making it much easier to achieve a professional-looking build. The front I/O is also impressive, featuring 2 high-speed USB Type-C ports, 4 USB-A ports, audio connectivity, RGB lighting controls, and fan speed controls, giving you easy access without reaching behind your PC. Of course, there are a few downsides. This is a very large and heavy case, weighing around 18 kilograms before installing components. It also carries a premium price, so it's not the best option if you're building on a tight budget. And unless you're using high-end hardware, much of the available space may go unused. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix Helios 2 is built for enthusiasts who want a premium showcase PC with exceptional airflow, excellent expandability, and plenty of room for future upgrades. If you're building a flagship gaming PC or workstation, it's an outstanding choice. However, if you're building a compact mid-range system or simply want the best value, there are more affordable cases that will meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.